I never ordered any foodstuffs from these online sites, so I thought I would do that. Everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm here to show another video. This is not some gadget stuff, but this is chocolate. I ordered chocolate from Amazon, which is called Pure Chocolate, which is available on Amazon, and I never ordered any foodstuff from these online sites, so I thought I would do that. And today I got this thing, and let's try to open and let's try to see how did they pack these food items. And I already opened this box because I'm using this one handle. No one to hold my camera here. They packed up really nice. This is the chocolate. This box is chocolate. How are we gonna open this box? Start this wrapper, and I'm gonna cut this wrapper. So this is the box. This is the box of chocolate, and here is this. These are the ice. These are the things that they give in order to cool down the chocolate. And this is called, I don't know what this material is. It's called ice pack, and it will last for 48 hours. This thing already, this thing have a little bit of cold here, but I think it's already done. Now this is the chocolate. Oh, it's already wet because of this ice. I placed this box right over here. I should have placed it in a cold place. Well, this is the Lindor chocolate. It's worth a great packing, and it's really trustful. So good to order some food through Amazon. Okay guys, thank you for watching. That's all for today.